Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ice pops step by step. Gather fruit, juice, yogurt, molds, sticks, and a blender. Chop fruit into bite-sized pieces and blend with juice or yogurt until slightly chunky. Pour mixture into molds, leaving a small headspace, and insert sticks. Freeze for at least 6 hours or until solid. Run molds briefly under warm water to release pops before serving. Choose flavors and mix-ins like berries, citrus, chocolate, or herbs to create interesting ice pops. Balance sweetness with juice, honey, or sugar and taste before freezing. For creamy pops, use yogurt or coconut milk and strain seeds if desired. Add whole fruit pieces or chocolate chips for texture. Consider adult versions by adding a splash of liqueur after freezing partway to layer flavors without fully melting the pop for sure. Quick recommendation: subscribe and like if this video is helping you make better ice pops. It really helps the channel grow. Check out the Echo Dot smart speaker I have here to bring your space to life and play summer playlists while you freeze pops. Look in the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks truly for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use quality molds and ensure seals are tight to avoid leaks and freezer burn. Leave 1/4-inch headspace to allow expansion and prevent spills. Insert sticks straight and chill until partially set if you want centered sticks. Freeze on a flat shelf and avoid the freezer door for steady temperature. Unmold by dipping the molds in warm water for a few seconds and gently pull the pops free with care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.